Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off auto updates on your iPhones. Now, it's really easy to do. You just want to go over to your settings and open that up. And once you're on your settings here, you just want to scroll down till you see General, click on General, and then just click on Software Update. It's then going to check for any updates. If you have any updates here, it will tell you that you have some available, but in my case, I have none available. But then we see the option for automatic updates right here. So we can just go ahead and click on that. If you guys do have an update available, it'll just be just below that, this option right here that says automatic updates. We just want to go ahead and click on it. And then we have two options here. We have the download iOS updates and we have the install iOS updates. So it just depends what you're looking to do. If you don't want it to download or install at all, you can disable both of them. But if you're okay with it downloading and not installing, then you just want to enable the top one and disable the bottom one. So it just downloads for you, but it won't automatically install until you want it to. So you guys can just read these little descriptions here if you want more detail into it. But I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys where to disable the setting. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.